Alright, morning. That was terrible. Morning, ladies and gentlemen. That still sounds gay for something. Alright, morning everyone. Trophy bass chasing here. This freaking annoying ass ringing noise, we cannot help it. His truck blows. But I'm here with Big Hoss. We're gonna be doing some fishing with Dalton and Colby, who are right in front of us. We're going to Lake Hendricks, and we will be going for largemouth bass. And we're going to 2-on-2. I'm stuck with him, sadly.
Where are they going?
Why are they turning?
Screw that, we're going straight to Lake.
Alright, let's go. Whatever, we'll get there before them.
Let them off!
Yep. We'll see you guys in... Well, I guess I'm going to cut right to the next video, so we'll see you in like... Seriously? You gotta take a picture with the bass on the scale, and it's top 5 bass for the team, and we'll both put a timer on our phone for 3 hours. Right. We'll start it right when we're about to hit the water. Ready, set, start. 2 hours, 59 minutes, and 56 seconds. Yes. Yes. All right, let's go. Oh, I missed him.
Yeah, you don't have a waterproof case on it.
Nope. Got my microphone on. Oh, turn the camera on here. Make on me a little bit. Oh! Ah, that's good. That's good. Put it right here. That's a good one. Hey, Dalton. He's pulling drag. He's pulling a lot of drag. We're gonna find out soon. If I can keep him through all this gunk. Jeez, I don't even know. I don't know how I'm supposed to get through all this. How am I supposed to get all this out of the way? Turn the camera on.
Turn the camera what?
Oh, here he is. Oh, yeah.
Oh, big boy.
Shit.
Hey, you want the net? You want the net?
No, no. What? No, I can. Got him. All right, I just gotta get this crack. Okay. That's up. Okay. Okay. Okay, I will not drop him like I always. I'm like famous for dropping bass. I know it's terrible, but.
You might want to smile for a picture because my dad just sent me a text saying fishing
Woohoo! 2 pounds, 6 ounces.
Smile, dude.
2 pounds, 6 ounces.
You're only feeding me about 2 pounds.
Nice way to start the day right there. Not a hog by any means, but that's a nice bass. She's chunky.
Alright.
Alright, get her back in the water. Oh yeah, there he goes. There she goes. That was definitely not a boy.
Alright, Jaden, how would you describe that catch?
Well, saw a little movement out here in the open, so I decided, you know what, it's worth the shot. Trying to cast there. Huge blow up. Set the hook. It's how pros get her done. That's all I'm gonna say. Oh, he just broke off my frog.
What happened?
That was a freaking toe. He snapped my knot.
Oh, man, your frog's gone.
Hey, Jaden.
Jaden, is your frog gone?
That was a freaking pig.
Did your line snap?
Yes.
You lost your frog.
Yes. Good thing I have 25 more. Y'all aren't gonna be able to see this from back here, but we out here finding condoms on the water. Like, come on, people. There's a campground on this lake. Why can you not just do it in your camper? Are you recording now?
Yeah, we're recording.
Didn't even get this fish on camera. Oh! Yeah, jackass! No, put it. No way. Nathan did not just catch a fish.
Got one.
I'm netting it because I don't know how good your hook set was. Go. Now keep your line tight. I'm sure you're not even reeling in right now.
I am.
Stop jerking around like that though. You're not even reeling it in. Your pole isn't reeling in. Try it.
Yeah, I feel him.
You're not reeling in, are you? I know you're not reeling in.
Hold on to the pole. I'm reeling him in.
Yeah, this thing, yeah, you gotta go by hand. This thing ain't doing shit.
Oh, there's so much stuff.
That happens. Just start pulling. I gotta get this thing untangled.
I feel. Ever seen like the gator show?
Just keep pulling them in.
Oh, you got. Nope.
You lost them. See that? Colby and Dalton were already back here. They didn't catch anything.
How'd you know?
I saw him come in here and I saw him leave like 5 minutes later. Got him. Got him. That's a good one. That's a good one. Get the net.
Where is it?
Right behind you. Ooh, be careful. It's tipping.
Bring it to me.
I'm trying. Okay, good. He's still on there. Not massive by any means, but he definitely goes towards our count. Okay. Ready?
Yeah, I see him.
Get him. Nice. Let's go. Hook set wasn't phenomenal, but it was in there pretty good. So. All right, let's get that official weight. That's better. 1 pound, 10 ounce.
Awesome.
Yeah, you bet.
No, I hope I can get one.
It was a damn good blow up too.
Was it?
Right as I started filming. I was gonna say that this corner looks promising, but I thought that would have been bad if I said that. So.